Hi everyone. Got my GoPro cams back. Take a little peek here. Yeah. You guys ask about weeds growing. Sunflowers trying to pop up. I have a heart. G.I. Joe. There's my cam. I'm trying to capture Mr. Hummer on that one. There's an old rose plant. I forget what you call those. That looks like corn. Sunflowers. Decorative grass. That one's really seeding out. There's Mr. Peanut. Sip and splash. One of the boys' toys I found. And there's Mr. King Cake Baby. Johnny Turbo. Of course, a little swing. And let me show you over here. I'm not sure what that is. Kind of looks like corn, but not. There's no tassels on it or corn, so I'm not sure what that is. I moved it over there though. And I took the blue pledge, hence the blue light at night. Okay, short little bed. See you on the chat forum, Decor Legends. Bye.